Example 2. So here once again we're determining the eccentricity of the ellipse given the equation. So we start off with our formula E equals C over A. We know that we can determine A by using the larger denominator. So A squared equals 25. Square root both sides to get A equals 5. We also can determine C by using the C squared equals A squared plus or minus B squared formula. C squared equals, remember, A squared is 25, and then B squared is 9, because B squared is our smaller denominator. So C squared equals 25 minus 9 is 16. Square root both sides, and C is 4. So then we go to our formula, E equals C over A, so it's going to be 4 over 5, and then we can put that into the calculator and we get 0.8. And 0.8 is very close to 1, so we can draw the conclusion that the eccentricity is very circular.